This ancient grain survived civilizations. Now it's saving our soil from climate collapse. Amaranth is an ancient plant with a modern purpose. For thousands of years, it fed entire civilizations because it could thrive where other crops failed. Today, that resilience matters more than ever. Amaranth is both a grain and a leafy vegetable, high in protein, rich in minerals, and adaptable across climates. But its real value goes beyond nutrition. Amaranth grows in poor soils, tolerates heat and drought, and sends deep roots into the ground, helping rebuild soil structure, reduce erosion, and cycle nutrients naturally. This is the kind of plant that aligns with EarthCrew's mission, working with nature, not against it. Supporting soil health as the foundation of food security. Amaranth reminds us that the future of agriculture isn't just innovation, it's remembering what already works. Healthy soil, resilient plants, a fair planet for all. For more information, visit and join earthcrew.com.